Mazda today took the wraps off of the brand new 2023 CX-50 that joins the brand's expanding SUV range, next to the similar-sized CX-5. The rugged-looking off-roader is the Japanese brand's attempt at a rugged off-roader that doesn't sacrifice too much on-road performance in the pursuit of capability. Set to be built at Mazda and Toyota's new joint plant in Huntsville, Alabama, with production starting in early 2022, the CX-50 will hit dealer showrooms next year. Much like the CX-5, the new CX-50 is powered by Mazda's 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Customers will at first only be offered a choice of that engine in its naturally aspirated or turbocharged form. The automaker promises to introduce more hybrid options to the model soon after launch, though. Powering the base CX-50 is a naturally aspirated 2.5-liter four-cylinder, while the turbocharged 2.5-liter option is available. Power figures will be revealed at a later date. Both of these engines come paired to a basic 6-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. Mazda says that a hybrid model and more electrified versions of the CX-50 will be available down the line. The standard i-Activ all-wheel drive system features a drive mode select feature, or what Mazda calls My Drive, that users can adjust depending on road conditions. Mazda lists specific drive modes like normal, sport, and off-road, but also says that you can use the My Drive switch for towing and more. The exterior of the CX-50 maintains the brand's signature Kodo design language, but with a fun outdoor flair. Typical of an adventure vehicle, there's black plastic cladding on the wheel arches and fascias, with high-strength roof rails up high for added versatility. The grille also gains thicker black accents and larger vents live on either side of the bumper. And now buyers can select a sharp-looking Zircon Sand exterior paint job to go with those rugged good looks. Inside, the CX-50 keeps Mazda's signature driver-focused layout intact, complete with high-end materials and fixtures. Here, though, the seats wear a unique, modern outdoor aesthetic that you won't find elsewhere in the lineup, featuring an available terracotta interior color and a panoramic moonroof. Mazda also tweaked the storage compartments to better fit the needs of outdoor enthusiasts, additional cubbies compartments throughout. Mazda hasn't released pricing information for the CX-50 yet, but production of the ruggedized crossover begins early in 2022, and the vehicle should go on sale sometime later next year. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you are watching our channel first time, please consider to subscribe. Thanks for watching.